before the songs. The songs are supposed to come out like a shock treatment. Penicillin, boom.
See, at one time I needed a, what do you call it? An Arbor Press to do stuff. And I looked around. They were like, I think I got a half-ton made in Japan one for about $100. And then, all of a sudden, I see a giant Green Nerd one on Marketplace for $100. It was like a 2-ton one. A friend of mine goes to pick it up for me, and the guy says, well, he didn't want to really sell that one, so he decided to sell the other two for the same price. So I got 2 Dake, what do you call it? Arbor presses, and then he shows up with this one. So now I got 4 Arbor presses. God knows how many freaking vices I have. So now I gotta now I'm forced to make a video, clean the sucker up, and then flip it, because I don't need this one. And the Japanese one I don't really need, because if you have a half-ton and you got a 3-ton and a 1.5-ton, what the hell do you need a half-ton one other than to make it look good on the shelf? So, coming soon, Arbor Press videos. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.